Hello, my name is Daniel and today we will enjoy working on tutorial number 12. All the information needed to construct the design are mentioned in the description of the video, so let's get started. We click File, New, Part. We put the name of the part, Tutorial 12. We select OK. We hide the planes, insert, body, right click, properties, future properties and rename the body tutorial 12. Select OK. Insert another body. OK. Click on Sketcher and click on the plane that we want to work on. In our case it will be XY. Now we need to construct the design, so we're gonna construct two circles like this and one circle here and another one here. So we have 4 circles. All the circles have a diameter of 32, so I'm gonna do something like this. And now we're gonna go and select diameter and put 32 for example. Select diameter 32 and 32. Perfectly. Now we have to constrain the distance between this circle and the vertical axis. So this distance is 62. Now we're gonna construct 2 imaginary lines like this. Gonna make them pointed as we just need them as guidance. We don't need them to be shown on our 3D form. Okay, now we're gonna constrain these lines. Firstly, we're gonna put the dimension of the lines that it's also 62 for each one of them. Perfectly. And now we need to select the angle of the line between this line and the vertical axis. Firstly, for example, it's 45. And now the angle between this line and this line, that it's also 122. Something like this. Perfectly. Now we have to construct the union between the circles. So how are we gonna do that? So first we're gonna construct, in this case, 2 additional lines between this circle, this circle, this circle, from here, and this circle. We are sure by holding Ctrl and clicking both of them and right click them, we want to be sure that they are horizontal. And now we have to constrain them. So we're gonna start by using constraint, and between these 2 lines we have 12 mm dimension, and between this line and the horizontal axis it will be 12 divided by 2 in order to arrange properly. Now we're gonna delete the lines that we don't need. And this is our first design. We need to go construct the second one. So the procedure is the same. We construct a line uniting these 2 circles like this. This representation from here shows that this line is parallel to this line, and this is very good. Now we're gonna select the constraint. We're gonna use the lines that we constructed earlier that they are pointed, and we're gonna do the same. 6 millimeters. We're gonna construct another line, something like this. If you are afraid that this line is not parallel to this line, it's not a problem. You can select both of them, go here and choose parallelism, and click OK. And this representation will be shown. That means these two lines are parallel. We're gonna use constraint, select the line, select the pointed line, and choose 6 millimeters also. Select the quick trim and delete what we don't need, like this, 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 and this. And now we're gonna do the same on this area. So we're gonna select the line, we're gonna select the circles, like this. Now we're gonna click on this line, and by holding Ctrl select this line, the pointed one, go to this option, choose parallelism, and do the same with these lines. Click OK. Now we need to constrain them. So I'm gonna choose constraint like this and like this. I'm gonna put 6 millimeters also for both of them. Perfectly. Now we're gonna use quick trim and delete what we don't need. Perfectly. Now we can exit the workbench. This is our first design. Now we're gonna insert another body. Go to this body, copy this sketcher, paste it here, and go to this. This one we can hide it, there is no problem. And we double click this one. Now, selecting all elements, because we need them only as guidance. We don't really need another 3D like this. And click this option. Now, as you can see, the lines were made pointed lines, so they will not be represented outside the sketcher. I'm gonna select the circles, and we're gonna construct our holes. Firstly, we're gonna construct the circles like this, and now we're gonna constrain them. The diameter of the circles is 22. As you can see, because we already had the previous design, it was very fast for us to just construct the circles on the points where we needed them to be, and everything is constrained, so everything looks okay. We exit the sketcher also. And now we define this body, we select pad, we select the sketch, we put 10 millimeters for example, click OK. This is our first 3D. Now we define body 4, we select pad again, we select the sketch, and we want to choose a bigger dimension, because this will be used just to remove material from our previous one. We select OK. Now we're gonna go to tutorial 12, we define it, we're gonna go to this body, we right click, we go to this option, and we add, we select OK. So firstly we added the first design. Now we're gonna go to tutorial 12, right click it, define it again, and go to this body, number 4, right click, go to this option, and remove, and click OK. So as you can see, this is our design. This is how we constructed the first one. This is how we removed the material from the first design. Now we can just arrange it nicely, maybe like this, in an isometric view. Choose tutorial 12, we can put a nice color, and this is our design for today. Thank you very much guys that you stayed with me today. I hope that you learned something. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment in the comment section. Please like, subscribe if everything was done properly for you. So we see each other next time. Thank you. Bye bye. Hello guys, thank you for watching my content. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check my latest videos. See you soon. Goodbye.